Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on changing the closure system and cleaning the potentiometer of the Thermomix TM5. Let's begin with the tools you will need for this task. You will require a screwdriver, preferably a Phillips head, a small flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Make sure to prepare your workspace by laying down a cloth to avoid scratching your Thermomix. Start by unplugging the device to ensure safety during the repair process. Next, flip the Thermomix TM5 upside down to access the screws that secure the base. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove the screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base off. You'll see the internal components, including the closure system and the potentiometer. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these parts. If your device is showing any signs of malfunction, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out. Now, let's focus on the closure system. If you notice any wear or damage, it's important to replace it. Locate the closure mechanism. This is usually a simple latch system. To remove it, you may need to use the small flathead screwdriver to pry it loose gently. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. Once the old closure system is removed, take the new system and align it properly before securing it in place. Make sure it clicks into position, indicating that it is securely attached. If you don't have the tools for this repair, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home to make things easier for you. Next, let's move on to cleaning the potentiometer. This component can accumulate dust and grease over time, leading to performance issues. Using your soft cloth, dampen it slightly with isopropyl alcohol and gently wipe the potentiometer. Be careful not to apply too much pressure. You want to clean without damaging any delicate parts. After cleaning, allow the potentiometer to dry completely before reassembling the device. Once everything is clean and dry, it's time to reattach the base. Align it carefully and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. If you are unsure about putting it back together, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you understand the costs involved. Finally, plug in your Thermomix TM5 and test the new closure system and cleaned potentiometer. Ensure everything is working smoothly. Regular maintenance is key to prolonging the life of your appliance. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, no calls, no travel. We can help you right from your home. Thank you for following this tutorial. Now you have a well-maintained Thermomix TM5 ready for your culinary adventures. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.